Hey guys, today I'll show you how to fix the "Your internet access is blocked" error in Chrome on your Android device. So let's get started. So open Settings first and then go to the Search tab and here enter Apps. Then go into it and in the list search for Chrome. Then tap Force Stop and then tap OK to confirm. Then head out to the storage and tap Clear Cache. And if the issue still persists, turn on airplane mode and then turn it off again. And make sure your internet connection is active and stable. But if the error still appears, it could be due to a weak Wi-Fi signal. In that case, just switch to the mobile data and restart your Wi-Fi router. So if this video was helpful for you, leave a like and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching.